My dear disciple, what have you been up to? Today I am going to solve mathematics of class 8 and page number 46. Real numbers in everyday life. In my last class I solved up to page problem number 4 and today I am going to solve problem number 5 to 9. Okay, problem number 5 is are the numbers below rational or irrational? Explain. There are 4 numbers here. Are this number rational or irrational? Look at carefully. Our first number 8.929292. Clearly it's a recurring number, that means repeating digit here, so it must be a rational number. All recurring numbers are called rational number. Okay, we can check out third number in here. After decimal 789 789. So 789 789 recurring digit. So it's also a rational number. Recurring number, rational number, because we can express recurring number as a rational number. Okay, this number 2.18281828. So 1828, these are repeating digits. So it's also a rational number. And the last number 0.122 and then 333. Here 3 repeating digits. So this number also a rational number. Our second number 0.01 001 0001. So it's not recurring number. This number irrational number. So out of this 5 number, only one number, that means second number, irrational number. And dear disciple, I hope you understand. Okay, number 5. Eight point 929292 and 653 for decimal 789 789 and 2.18281828 0.122333 are rational number. Only 0.101 001 0001, this number irrational number. Irrational number. Disciple, I hope you get it. Okay, let's move on. Sixth number. Number 6. Okay, let me read the questions. In number 6, perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division with the numbers 2 root 2 plus 5 root 8 and 7 root 8 minus 4 root 2. Hence, represent the answer on a number line. So, in this case, we have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, let's start. Addition. Two root 2 plus 5 root 8 plus 7 root 8 minus 4 root 2. Two root 2 5, we can write 8 equal 2 multiply 4, 8 equal, we can write 2 multiply 4 minus 4 root 2. Two root 2 root 4. This root sign on 2 and on 4. So root 4, it means only 2. 5 multiply 2 root 2. Root 4, it means only 2. 4 root 2. 5 twos are 10 root 2. 7 twos are 14. 4 root 2. So, how many root 2? 14 root 2, 10 root 2, 2 root 2. That means 2 and 4, 12. 12 and 14, 36, 14 and 10, 24, 26. 26 root 2. And our answer is 22 root 2. This is our answer. 26 root 2 minus 4 root 2, that means 22 root 2. Okay, next number. And this number also represent on number line. Okay, I wanna represent this on a number line. Let's draw a number line. Okay, how can we draw or we can find the value of root 2 using, or we can represent the value of root 2 using number line? Suppose this is 0, 1. For representing the value of root 2, at first we will take 1. Suppose its value 0 to 1, 1. And we also take this distance along vertical line, its value 1. So base 1, perpendicular 1, I name this point A. So 0 to 1, I name this point B. OB equal 1, AB equal 1. So base 1, AB perpendicular 1. So what will be the hypotenuse OA? So OA is the hypotenuse. And OAB, it's a right angle triangle. According to Pythagoras formula, OA will be root 2. You all know. So what is the Pythagoras formula? Pythagoras formula actually OA square, OB square plus AB square equal OA square. And OA, this value will root 2. Now if I draw an arc by centering O and taking the radius OA, we will get the value of root 2. So this point indicate, or this point represent the value of root 2. This one indicate the value of root 2. I repeat, OB 1 unit, AB 1 unit. So OB 1 unit, AB 1 unit. So what will be the value of OA? OA will be root 2. How? OAB, a right angle triangle. So base 1, height 1. According to Pythagoras formula, hypotenuse OA, it will be root 2. So OA indicate value of root 2. So if I draw an arc taking the radius OA, this cutting point or this intersecting point represent the value of root 2. And our value is 22 root 2. So if I take 22 times, okay, 1 root 2, this value 2 root 2, this value 2 root 2, then this value 3 root 2, 3 root 2. So if I move this way 22 times, I will get the value of 22 root 2. And it is not possible to show within this small place. That's why I just put a dot dot symbol. This dot dot symbol indicate all value just in here. And this point indicate 22 root 2. 22 root 2. Okay, 1 root 2, 2 root 2, 3 root 2 and dot dot, that means so on. This dot dot just indicate all the value, and finally this point indicate 22 root 2. I hope disciple you get it. Okay, next number. Our next number is subtraction. Subtraction. Okay, 2 root 2 plus 5 root 8 subtract 7 root 8 minus 4 root 2. 2 root 2, 5, 2 multiply root 4, 2 multiply 4, 2 multiply 4, minus a plus 4 root 2. 2 root 2, root 4 actually it means 2, 2 multiply 5, 10 root 2, root 4 indicate only 2, 2 multiply 7, 14 root 2. So how many root 2? 10 and 2, 12, 12 and 4, 16. 16 root 2 minus 14 root 2, and our answer is 2 root 2. So if I show on graph paper, I am showing on graph paper 0, this point 1, I take 1 along perpendicular line, so this line OA indicate value of root 2. We have to represent 2 root 2. Draw an arc taking the distance root 2. So this point, actually this intersecting point indicate value of root 2. This intersecting point indicate value of 2 root 2. I hope you understand, disciple. Okay, next, multiplication. Multiplication. Two root 2, 5 root 8, multiply 7 root 8, 4 root 2. Okay, 2 root 2 multiply 8 root 2. At first we need to reduce 2 root 2, 5 to the 10, 10 root 2, 14 root 2 minus 4 root 2. Okay, 2 root 2 multiply 14 root 2. It will be 14 to the 28, and root 2 multiply root 2, it will be 2. Okay, 28 root 2 multiply root 2 plus 4 to the 8, it will be minus 8 root 2 multiply root 2 plus 10 multiply 14, that means 140 root 2 multiply root 2 and minus 10 4s are 40 root 2 multiply root 2. So root 2 multiply root 2, when root 2 multiplied 2 times itself, it will be only 2. So only 2 and 28, 56 minus root 2 multiply root 2, only 2, 2 multiply 8, 16. Root 2 multiply root 2, it means only 2. 2 multiply 140, that means 280. Root 2 multiply root 2, only 2. 2 multiply 40, that means 80. And 56 and 280, so it will be 336. 80 and 16, it will be 96, and our answer 240. Now we have to show this number on number line. I am showing this number on number line. Okay, it's a number line. This point 0. I name this 100, this point 100, then 200, then 300. So 240, it will be just here, 240. So this is the number line of 240. Okay, let's move. Division. Division. 2 root 2 plus 5 root 8 division 7 root 8 minus 4 root 2. Okay, 2 root 2, actually 5 root 8, it means 10 root 2. I already calculated in the previous number. 7 root 8, it means 14 root 2. Okay, 10 root 2 and 2 root 2, 12 root 2. 14 minus 4, 10 root 2. And our answer, root 2 vanish. Answer 12 over 10, that means 6 by 5. Now I have to show this number on number line. Okay, this one indicate 1. So actually 6 over 5, it means 1.2. So this one indicate 2. So 1.2, it will be here. So this is the representation of 1.2. Disciple, I hope you get it. Okay, let's start number 8. Number 8, not number 8, number 7. Number 7, simplify. 3 cubic root 3 over 5 plus 3 cubic root 9 over 5 minus 3 cubic root 81. This 7 number simplification, actually, I don't know this type of math is suitable for class 8 or not. Okay, I just multiply both top number, bottom number by 5. Top number, bottom number by 5. Minus by 5. So LCM 5, here will be LCM 5, here will be 5 cubic root 3 over 5, 5 cubic root 9, 5 cubic root 81. Actually this is the answer. This math actually not possible to reduce and get a symbol, very single number, not possible. This is our answer. Okay, number 8. Number 8. Nishit Chakma has two square-shaped vegetable garden. The length of one garden is 2√2 unit, and area of the other is twice the area of first. What's the length of the other garden? Okay. One side of first garden one side of first garden 2√2. So area of first garden, what will be? Since the garden is square shape, so one side given 2√2, so area would be one side multiply one side. We all know area of a square, one side multiply one side, and it's gonna be 8. 8 square unit. ATQ. And area of the other is twice the area of the first. So area of the second garden, it will be twice of the first. So twice of the first, that means 8 multiply 2, 16 square unit. So length or one side of the second garden, it will be root over 16, that means 4 unit. Okay, I repeat. One side of the garden, first garden 2√2. So area will be one side multiply one side, that means 8. So 8 square unit is the area of the first garden. It is also mentioned area of the second garden will be the twice area of the first garden. So area of the second garden, it will be 2 times area of the first garden. So area of the first garden 8. So second garden will be 2 times, that means 8 multiplied to 16. So 16 is the area of the second garden. So length or one side of the second garden, how can we get the length of the second garden? Length of the second garden, it will be square root. So square root of 16, 4. And 4 is the answer. Okay, our next number. Number 9. Okay, let me observe the questions. You have 2 cubic shaped boxes. One box has a volume of 16 meter cube, and the other box has a volume of 11 meter cube. What are the length of the sides of each box? We have to find the side of the each box. If the boxes are split and made into a single cubic box of volume equal to the sum of the volumes of the 2 boxes, then what's the length of the sides of the new box? In this case, volume of the 2 cubic shaped box given 16 and 11. And we have to find the side of each boxes. Second step, if the two box split, or by using the two box, if we make another box and volume will be the equal sum of the two boxes, that time we have to find the side of the new box. Okay, disciple, attention. Let side of first box I consider A, and side of second box I consider B. So volume of first box, what will be? A power 3. Actually, volume of first box, this is cubic shape box, and we all know cubic shape box length, breadth, height exactly equal. So length A, breadth A, height A. That means A power 3. Length, breadth, height. That means A power 3, and its value given. Value 16. So what will be the value of A? Cubic root 16. That means, okay, no need to find the decimal value, I just keep it. This meter. And volume of second box, same, B multiply B multiply B, that means B cube, and its value also given 11. So what will be? B equal cubic root 11, this meter. So length of the first box 3 cubic root 16, length of the second box cubic root 11. So our first part completed. Now the second part. If these two boxes are split and if we make another box, let side of the new box, I consider side of new box, I consider C. So what will be the volume? So volume of new box, it will be C multiply C multiply C, and volume of the new box will be the sum of the two boxes. That means C cube equal 17. I split the two box and make a new box. Side of the new box C, so volume of the new box C bar 3, and C bar 3 it will be sum of the previous two box. That means sum of the first box volume 16 and 11. So 16 plus 11 it will be 27. So C equal cubic root 27, that means 3 meter. I repeat, Volume of the first box 16, volume of the second box 11, and volume of the new box will be the sum of the first box and second box, that means 27. So C cube equal 27. So C equal cubic root 27, that means 3 meter. Dear disciple, I hope you understand. If you have any questions, you can ask me by throwing comment or by making comment, and I will try my level best to answer your questions. If this video is helpful for you, I hope you will subscribe my channels Muzammil World, like, comment and share. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.